Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this headband. I created this headband from an old Asooke given to me by a client. So from that old Asooke, I created this beautiful headpiece. Let's go straight to the training. So as I said earlier, this Asooke is an old one. She's tired of tying it and she said I should create a headband that is cute. So I had to pieces the whole headpiece with my razor, and what I'm holding now is an Alice band, which will be used for the base. So I used my measuring tape to measure the headband, and this headband measures 15 inches. 15 inches. I also had to measure the three major parts of this Alice band. This place measures 3 inches. The small part, that is the end part of it, measures half inch, giving us 1 inch round. Then there's a part of it again which is one close to the down part, the middle part between the 3 inches and the 1 inch. So everything I had to measure it out. Why I did all these things is to know how to cut out what I'll use to wrap it around. So I cut out 16 inches. Remember, the Alice band measures 15. So I cut out 16 inches, then folded it this way and cut it into 2. So I took one piece of the fabric, I folded it this way, then I measured 3.5 inches. To measure 3.5 there, and also mark it on the other side of it, 3.5. This will give me a guide to know where I will stop my cutting. Then I also measure the down part, that is ½ inch at this edge and also ½ inch on this part of it. Then I will be using my scissors to cut from that down part to that place I marked 3.5. Alright, so I had to check if the fabric will wrap the Alice band very well. Then I use my UHU gum to wrap it up. You can use your candle gum to do this. Please, this video I won't be talking much, so that's why I have to pay close attention to understand every step I take. So just watch closely, you understand everything. Alright, what I'm holding is called elastic, and this elastic measures 7.5 inches. So I'll be attaching it to this headband. Watch how I do the attachment. Once I'm done attaching the elastic, I'll be covering the Alice band with this cord. It's called cord. You can pick any color of your choice, but I prefer using silver because she said she needs silver, to a touch of silver, in this headband. So I use this silver cord to cover up this point. So guys, can see how beautiful it is. Alright, next thing I'll be doing is to cover up that point I attached my elastic. This is called Petersham ribbon. Petersham ribbon. You can use any ribbon or any material to cover it, but I prefer using this. So I'll be using my candle gum and my glue gun to do the attachment. If you have watched to this level, guys, and you've not joined this family, kindly do so by subscribing to my channel. And also don't fail to hit the notification bell button to get notified whenever I post any new video. Yes, and for my returning subscribers, I love you guys. You guys are the best. So guys, I'm done with the headband part. So what I'm holding now measures 25 inches. This fabric measures 25 inches, and I cut out 2 pieces. So I locate the center of it, and I had to fold it this way so I'll be able to get my bow design. Yes, don't forget to watch closely, guys. Once you pay close attention, you will understand everything. It's very easy. Alright, so I had to cut out another piece of fabric which measures 27 inches. I cut it 2 pieces, and I'll be doing the same thing I did to the first 2 bows. But at this point, I decided to use my candle gum to glue it down. I don't know if you understand. You can do this process in the first one. Yes, just glue it down so it will give it a firm hold before forming your bow. Guys, please pay attention and see how I formed this particular bow. You see what I just did now? I didn't place it on top of it directly. I placed it at the edge. Then I formed my bow. Please guys, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel for those that have not done so, okay? Support your girl, please. Thank you. So I'll be measuring this part, so I'll be able to know the measurement I'll be taking for covering this rough edge. So what I'll be doing now is to cut out the fabric, which measures 6 inches. I'll cut it out. I'll use it to wrap that part. So what next I'll be doing is to tack it down to this point. It isn't a must. You can use your glue gun to do this process. But believe me, I prefer tacking to avoid story that touches the heart. Yes, to avoid, madam, sorry. I'm not really interested in that story. So I better use my needle and thread to tack it down. After doing the tacking, I'll still use my glue gun to hold it down. Alright, so watch closely and you'll see how I do the finishing. So guys, at the process of tacking, I wanted this point to curve in like this. I'll be using my needle to hold it down. You can use your candle gum to gum it, okay? But I prefer tacking. Sincerely, I prefer tacking to avoid stories. So, be using my needle and thread to hold this particular point down. But don't make it to be too visible. After the whole tacking process, I used my candle gum to hold this part down. I also held the other side down and the back side too. I told you I'll be using my candle gum to do the finishing process. So after doing that, I also use my applique to do the design and attach my feathers. Yes, if I've reached this level and you've not liked this video, my sister and my brother, what have I done to you? Please subscribe. Please like. I'm begging. Please support your girl. Support me. You are giving me encouragement by liking this video. Also, if you have any difficulty in forming any kind of headgear, being fascinator, otogele, headband, turban, send it to this WhatsApp. This WhatsApp on the screen now. Okay, I'll respond to you as quick as possible. I appreciate my subscribers that do send some video. They make a request that I should teach how to do it. Yes, I respond to messages on my WhatsApp. So don't hesitate to send any message if you find any difficulty in forming any headgear. So you can adjust your bow, make it to be fluffy this way. Yes, while doing this adjustment, you can also adjust the back part and the front part, or you just flatten it. It depends on what you want, okay? Alright, so after doing this, I will be attaching my feathers to it to add more beauty to it. Alright, thank you for staying to this time. I love you all. You can rub your candle gum at this point. If it's too long, cut it out with your scissors. Rub candle gum at this point, then hold it firm here and it will stand. That's how to attach your feathers. So love you guys. See you next time.